Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to fix the flashing question mark issue on a MacBook. So first of all, press and hold the power button on your MacBook. Keep holding it until you see the message, Loading Startup Options appear on the screen. After that, select Options and then click on Continue to enter recovery mode. Here, select Disk Utility and click on Continue. Once Disk Utility opens, look for your main startup disk called Macintosh HD on the left side. If you can see Macintosh HD, that means the drive is physically connected, but the system files may be damaged or corrupted. Click on First Aid from the top menu. After that, click on Run to start the repair process. This will scan your disk and try to fix any errors related to the startup system. If First Aid finishes successfully, but the flashing question mark is still showing, then the startup files may be missing or corrupted. In that case, go back to the main macOS Utilities window. Here, select Reinstall macOS. This process usually does not erase your personal files. It mainly replaces the broken or missing macOS system files. Make sure your MacBook is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network during the installation. Once the installation is complete, your MacBook should start up normally again, and that's it. This is how you can fix the flashing question mark issue. I hope this video is helpful for you. For such videos, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.